Interesting story here, new at 11. This Tampa Police Reserve officer says his department-issued weapon fired without him pulling the trigger, seriously injuring him. The 30-year veteran of the force is now suing the company that makes the firearm. As Fox 13's Catherine Hawley reports, similar incidents involving the Sig Sauer P320 handgun have been reported across the country.
Last February, Bob Northrup was working an extra-duty assignment, patrolling Jefferson High School during a baseball game. The Tampa Police Department reserve officer says he was standing feet from students and families when his hand brushed his holstered service weapon.
And the very second I touched the gun, it discharged. I tried to take another step, and I couldn't.
The 69-year-old needed emergency surgery after the hollow point bullet shattered his leg and ankle, causing permanent injuries.
I've got 8 small screws, 4 very large screws, 1 plate, and 1 long rod in my leg now.
Nearly a year and a half later, Northrup is still recovering and in pain. But it's the what-ifs that keep him up at night.
My gun discharged without me pulling the trigger, totally uncommanded. Then something is seriously wrong, and it could have actually struck one of the kids in the bleachers or on the baseball field.
Last week, Northrup and his legal team filed a civil suit against gunmaker Sig Sauer for the design, manufacture, sale, distribution, and inadequate warnings related to an unreasonably dangerous and defective firearm.
The P320 is capable of discharging without the trigger being pulled. It's not how any gun should function. And we have a genuine, serious public safety concern about that.
The 56-page complaint says the P320 handgun can fire with just a bump, tap, vibration, or drop, putting officers and everyone around them at risk of being shot, injured, or killed.
Since learned about other TPD reported incidents that we're looking into.
Northrup's legal team represents nearly 24 people across the nation whose P320s fired without pulling the trigger. They say Sig Sauer knows about the firearm's defective design and is being negligent.
Sig needs to get up and stand up and face up to what they've done and recall this gun.
Catherine Hawley, Fox 13 News.
Now, we reached out to both the Tampa Police Department and Sig Sauer about this lawsuit. TPD said it does not comment on pending litigation, and so far Sig Sauer has not gotten back to us.